Guys, I'm so excited. We are back in the kitchen with Chef James. He's kind of my personal favorite because he makes the most delicious, wonderful things that are so healthy that helps us all stay on track with our keto goals. So I cannot wait. What are we making today, James?
So we are making a garlic parmesan mashed cauliflower using this savory chicken keto mix. This is gonna be so good.
So much protein, so healthy, such a low carb content, low sugar. So it's gonna be healthy and delicious, and we're gonna be staying on track with our goals. And that's what everyone that joins this channel, that's all we want. We wanna be able to not deny ourselves the flavor and the fun. And I can't even tell you guys, it smells so good right now. I'm so excited.
Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So first thing that a lot of people probably know this is cauliflower has a lot of water content in it. So we're going to steam this down. So that way it's a lot easier to blend. So this will take probably 10-15 minutes. So we'll go ahead and get that started with some water. So we're going to accelerate this process by having on a medium high, and go ahead and put the top on. We'll get that going, make sure it's nice and soft, and then while that's cooking, we'll go ahead and prep the rest of the ingredients. So we're gonna go ahead and use some fresh Parmesan Reggiano, but we'll just use about like a 1/4 cup of Parmesan, garnish it with some parsley, add a little bit of garlic. Also, we're going to add a little bit of heavy whipping cream, a little bit of butter. So we boiled this down for about 15 minutes. The way that you're gonna tell if this is done, just take a fork and you should be able to easily poke the fork into the cauliflower. So go ahead and turn this off. So we'll go ahead and cool this down for a few minutes, but we'll go ahead and cut this down and just make it a little bit easier for it to all blend through.
This is gonna be such a comfort food. It's like a rainy day today. I'm feeling all vibey. I just wanna go like get cozy with a blanket on the couch. This is a comfort food, but it's gonna be so healthy. And what a great idea.
Yeah. So we'll go ahead and add this into the blender. So we're going to go ahead and add the heavy whipping cream. I like it a little bit creamier, so we're gonna add about 4 tablespoons of this. And then we melted down some butter, use about 2 tablespoons of butter, throw that in. And then we'll add in a pinch of salt. Now with the garlic, what you wanna do is, you don't have to chop up the garlic, but I like to smash it. This releases the flavor. We've got some actually right here that we'll throw in. We'll do the parsley a little bit later, but we're gonna add the savory chicken keto mix. So we're gonna throw this in. This is 1 scoop. So we'll go ahead and get this started here. And then, don't be afraid to add more butter, more seasoning to it, more cream if we need to. What do you think?
Oh man.
So good, isn't it?
I love it.
Yeah.
It's so creamy. You would never know that's not mashed potatoes. You wouldn't know. Teach us the art of plating. I want to learn from a real chef.
Okay, so center of plate.
Okay.
And I like to use a bigger spoon like this. This is great because if you want to throw salmon or chicken or beef on this, you have a nice little place to put that. Right, and then you can throw on some crushed pepper, this for the presentation, and then a little bit of parsley, and don't forget some of that Parmesan. Right, and so.
Makes me happy.
Look at that.
Oh, it just looks so good, so yummy. Yes.
This is one of my favorites actually so far of using this mix.
Really?
Yeah, I love this.
Yeah, ready?
Let's try this.
Okay. I want some of that cheese.
Yes. So good.
Oh my word. I can taste the garlic, I can taste the cheese, the cream. It's so creamy, look at it. You would never know that's not mashed potatoes. All the flavor you could possibly want, and all of that protein. Come on, that's incredible. Thank you so much, James. We love it when you come to this kitchen. Guys, subscribe to our channel. We're gonna have Chef James on a lot more because these recipes are so easy, but so healthy, and we're all gonna stay on track with our keto goals. So we're so grateful for your time, James.
We're gonna come up with some more exciting recipes too.
I can't wait. Feed me, feed me.